I feel it for the girl them where I ride that. That's supposed to can ride with ease. That's supposed to can ride with ease. I want ask that without saddle. You see the cocky turn me off. You see me no want nobody send me no wood man. We don't have them wood, they not send meat man. Me see look like if you put your mouth over it, you wonder wait there. Oh Lord, the quiet on the creek. Looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired when I knew I had to face another day. Lord, it makes me feel so tired. Yes, Wagwan. Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful, and making love to you. I said, I'm full of my FYP, you see. I want class, I'm just in my FYP and come out. In my FYP and come out. I come to the front of the line. Oh, you mean you get cocky? Them something with me want to see and lick you with a Guinness back. Them say she get cocky and me there, so I grow grape on my front. Them move your dirty table. Move them. Move your love loot. You see them like use body and traumatize people. Them move your little bit and forward. Them something me can't like, you know. Them don't care how much try to like you. Them something me can't like you. Them a little bit and forward. But you a get cocky. Them you not forward only for me. So nobody come with that all. Rosalie I get a lick too, you know. Me know you never write her name on the stone, but she get a lick. You know, see, 1 year and add Rosalie no sniff the old. She never sniff it yet, a matter of hurt. No, for sure, cocky so lick it down, bloop, bloop, bloop. Marvin Body and them are all a play who bowling alley. Yeah, Burger, wagwan, my baby. Yeah, me don't know who trouble Dima, but them come on the internet with a bag of stone and she just a bloop, 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 a pay cocoa people a catch. Who not catch cocoa, catch busted. Eh? Of course, them are going to utilize their crutches all on the stove and then we go cook after. A phone will come. So me and the boy did do it in the kitchen. All in a washing machine. I'm climb up on all the dryer. Wow, I'm open all the fridge because I sweat. I'm open all the fridge because I them a move your move them. Where? Where? Yeah. Move. I look at me did have all them foot and hands there. Because look how me that hurt. Me say when the boy do me and chew a back where him have me, me say me just open the fridge and just a cool down my temperature. Oh, me underneath clean like a whistle, so me a open up. Me not in the light, them a just a true word so. Yeah, them are flexible. Flexible for your age too. A lady say, I wanna sexy with my heels on, yeah. Make it right on the thing. Sister Winnie, I don't see you today for one of the class. Me not too in a Sister Winnie. Oh, okay, come like you over Diamond now. Yeah, nah lie, Diamond just attack said she get the cocky and me feel so too. I could have lied Diamond till me believe the lie. Oh, me believe it. Cause to oh Marvin, him a go on like him. But more ask Diamond a serious question. Hey Diamond, come here classmate. Come here. Of course you over Cute Bass by far. You know see Diamond skin cleaner than Cute Bass own. Wanna Cute Bass chop up like meat board. Cute Bass chop up like meat board. That's why she have to live on that filter. Bleaching cream bust up Cute Bass and get a plaid. Yeah. You call Cute Bass name with Diamond. Don't do that. Cute Bass favor plaid. Oh. cute bass bust up and chop up like. When you can't mix cute bass with diamond. Don't do that. When you look on cute bass skin, bust up here, chop up here, crab up here, scrape up here, bleaching cream angular, man. Bleaching cream angle, triangle and bangler. Yeah. You can't put her with diamond. And diamond all a girl for cute bass. And diamond young cocky around down diamond, not even flaccid would want cute bass. So we're not talking about cute bass. Cute bass want rejuvenate. And when I say rejuvenate, I mean she want to go for one stand and make them juke her crutches. Her crutches want juke. Yeah, her crutches want draw down. Yeah. Her clit one line and balance. Diamond at yeah. Then what a way them a roast, figure it out. Figure it out, come here batty man. You know all what a way you got embassy soon. And Monday you got embassy, figure it out. I hope them gear. Yeah, I hope them gear. Cause you can't come over here, come suck within peace and bum off cocky. Yeah, this is the place to do it. Let me tell you something. Ivan, you don't hurt. Ivan, you don't hurt a mountain. No, Ivan, you gotta make the money. You know that I'm willing. 10 girl breed it. Damn right, I did it. Yeah. Ivan, you not hurt. This can't hurt Ivan. Ivan, you go like figure it out. Could have come. Eh? She go like figure it out. Then what I wish that plan for house. Figure it out. Figure it out. Could have come if you come here born with boys. Figure it out, the man them say you don't know the child baby father. You don't even know him baby mother, but you general. You too lie them so no walk and pay extortion money like dog. No, it's no, but anti-that she not hurt. I found it don't hurt. She go like figure it out, can't fly and she can't fly. The two of them on a Red Bull. Them just might behave like drunk, but them on a Red Bull. Yeah. My little crutches molly see me open up. If you don't see my feet, you don't know how. Yeah. Me not like when they take them relationship serious. Then come here now, when you see Skippa old. When you see, then Skippa I want to talk to you seriously. Then Skippa old the video. It was a threesome with a wagga wagga. I who sent out that video there. The Skippa. When you know Skippa, I say Skippa you tall and look nice, me not in a lie. But your body them short change you. Me say when I see the cocky the first my whole just close up so like it kiss it teeth. All my whole not have no ambition, you know. My whole just not have no manners and no sense. Eh? Skippa the artist of course. Him there with somebody, me say when time she'll take off her clothes, the whole heap of hula hoop where me say oh she. Then Skippa tell me the truth. Other body there you walk with in the underpants and sometimes you have an all two underpants at the wall. And somebody could have get one. Somebody could have get one of the underpants. This cover your reach. I said the body little, I could have even look on the cocky. The body little is not even a mouthful. That look like it would have itch up in my teeth. You want more body for your tall youth, man, and you look good, you know. You look damn good. If people see, you know, say people see your clothes them sweet, say you walk with the anchor, can't hold the Titanic in the ocean. No, for sure. Yeah, you look like a clit. I said the cocky lick clit not match your body. Me I wonder who. Them not place you good, you know. Them don't place you good. Then people really come through that all your people supposed to quick. Your people supposed to can't bother with that little body there. It's not enticing at all. If I me like him, I'll box some TG and take him cocky. Yeah, it hurt me. Look how you're going. Look how you're flossy. Look how you're flossy. You look good for true, you know. You're slimmer, you're taller, you're nice. They're not that big as they are lick down. Oh, the body they go past the fat. Me not like the little hood there. Me not telling you like you want more body. Them not have no pill. You can't buy one of the body pump. No, the body little. You look good, sir. You look good. I feel it for the girl them where I ride that. That's supposed to can ride with ease. That's supposed to can ride with ease. I want ass that without saddle. You see the cocky turn me off. You see me no want nobody send me no hood man. We don't have them hood they not send meat man. Me say look like if you put your mouth over it, you wonder wait there. Yeah. That can't clear throat. That can't clear throat, my love. You want more body. You know you want more body. Shana Bless him want more body. Yeah, man. That and you all wear 2 underpants. So somebody else in the crew could have get one of the underpants. Me I like the cock in the underpants. Because if it's stiff and little so when it did it go enable. No eat me yet my baby. But that's true. Sister when me see it man, them send me the video, I'm busy with it. I say, oh, this not Skippa. Body look good, eat face nicey. So when the camera go down, I take back everything when I say, see Skippa body it has circulate. It has circulate, my love. The boy look good, you see, but him not well endowed. Skippa come out of the Hobbit breed, you know the Hobbit? Who's your favorite TikToker? The most Diamond. And Diamond is not my favorite TikToker either. I love Diamond from morning, so I can't put her in that. I don't have no favorite TikToker. And me and my favorite TikToker. I don't have no favorite TikToker, my love. You know, see, all of them are hypocrite and I fight against them. One of them play hypocrisy. Because Rosalie, she come out and figure it out about him, an informer. Rosalie, move your water body looking self from your song where you wagga wagga like the woman where I suck Skippa hood. You wagga wagga like she. Because she full of hula hoop, you know. I say me look on staircase and go up on the woman belly. Me I wonder what's that? Ibania put pain in her voice. Not the Ibania one girl we hard for earth. A whole heap of good man Ibani did there with whole heap of young boy Ibani mine. And Ibani never cry. And one way remote from you go ball on top of your earth. Diamond lead in a khaki. Diamond lead in a hook. Diamond make it in a sex. Diamond time to shine. Give the girl, come out of the girl we make Diamond shine on the tube. I will come them with something in the Ibani go and back go paint now. I love when you paint. Go and back go paint because you're not earthing a mountain and you need the rent and when you're done you come and cuss the people and say you're renter for 4,000 ad. Eh? You're renter for 4,000 ad if girl can pay that and you know oh yeah also come to Ibani, make you touch the road. It's better that. Auntie K, you not call it. Yeah? You're too lying. The child not did it. But K, you not call me. Ain't girl not do that thing. She be Bunny a ball. You alone feel it. Bunny could have never tricked me. And when her granny did in front of her, she never ball. Oh, she a ball over figure it out. We never promise and she dash the boy belly from she there Jamaica. Oh, you get ball in that I know so she can't fly and him can't travel. One man girl and leg up on my shoulder. Man, you take out my brightness. She a ball for real. The whole way actress on the app. The whole way actress on the app. How much time Rosalie come on and ball? Other day, Annie did a ball. Move the man. When you can't make people tears stricken now. I ban a ball for the gift them come in. As the gift them come in too much, she not even remember so she did a ball for figure it out. Figure it out dead. But she a ball for. She now set up the man life, then oh she a come a ball. A mountain, the whole of them a rob and thief. You remember foreign get little hard for Ivan, you know? No, but true. Rosalie wicked. Rosalie figure it out. Jaden and Akeem, them my friend. Don't make Rosalie sit down on the live class, figure it out. Them a do it for coins. Them not have no storyline, so them turn upon them one another. All me could do it bunny. I couldn't do this at all. All me could do it. You think a joke? It's a wicked set of serpent, them, you know. Imagine, people love them on the app genuinely. And them not have no reason. Hey, them not do nothing for people love them, and people just come out and love them. People love Rosalie because she stay bad and she not good looking. You get what me I say? Figure it out, him like play a victim. Me tell you say one dirty batty man, him like play a victim. Yeah, figure it out, love come out and him always innocent and all know him can't get account for Naya. And we still await. We still await. Then what are we when I walk up here extortion money every time when I go road and I go like on illegal. When I walk up here extortion money. Eh? Figure it out, the people them say them don't know you. And you talk about your dog and your dog. Now mix the dead man in a batty. You know everybody have nice batty people. Of course. Javier Cho. Him never gonna know jail for no Naya. Remember say, wait, let me draw back on a memory. Remember say them did run away when a Naya time. And when them come back a question, them get questioned, them never gonna jail for Naya. Oh, cause all I know them can't find Naya killer. Eh? Them never gonna know jail for now. You figure it out. Move your stinking, nasty, bush looking self from your sangway. Your sister and mother come out and say you're liar. Your sister and mother, we can't even blame your sister now, your mother. We can't even tell you about them. Them come out and say you're liar. Move from your son. As soon as your son run off. Remember, everybody have it for son now. You see, Ivan come out and say go apologize to Naya mother. Ivan know something where we don't know. Move your nasty self, figure it out. You told me, I can't stomach stinking, figure it out. I can't stomach him for true, you know. People don't even understand how I can't stomach figure it out. I want serpent, you know. I want a little dirty serpent. Him go like the Batman that he is. I can't stomach figure it out for true in a real life, this big head boy. I can't stomach figure it out, man. I remember them night did the ball, but I'm gonna have my son for live for. And una tell lie upon me. Move your so cocky self, a whole heap of wood in your mouth. Your breath stink like body. Your breath stink like cocky. A whole heap of body in your mouth. Them know them a man the more, them know them love man. If you don't notice how quickly Industry Diamond and take up Jaden because he have to lean on the bagwagon. He have to lean on the team where have the real. And then you not talk about say when I go with people not this me, you know. People not this you when you pay your money. When you pay money for stand up in a crowd, you know them now got this you. Remember it's a paid program. So how it go? And Rosalie is sitting over there with fair big stinking both figure it out in farmer. Then you are Rosalie. Now you the tax at GXIGU in another gully. We don't just have no content, we don't just make the internet negative. Every day, nobody don't care, figure it out, want to take a picture and send go give somebody video you and send go give somebody. Everybody knows say Akim do why you. But me I roll with you, you know, and I saw it go, you beg for God the 9-8. You beg to go to the 9-8 and when them a got the dance, them never bring you because you don't have no dance attire. And Akim now walk with no girl in youth club, youth fellowship top and a pumpkin skirt because I pay youth fellowship top you have. All of your blouse them fit you like a dude. All of your blouse them fit you like a dude. Them exhausting for true. Pumpkin skirt and the youth fellowship top. I don't know why Rosalie's shirt neck they must be right up underneath you so like a turtleneck. At first I see them Ganzi they come in a turtleneck. I think of the round neck. Yeah, go like you can put together. She said she a full size model. I must for the rubbish pan. Them are supposed to call up my name. Them a little bit unhappy. The only thing I envy them for is man. Them a little bit unhappy. Leave her alone, make them spread her wings and fly, butterfly. When never Jira would figure it out. I know them a figure it out friends. So I'm to that. One them up on the app. Leave the child and she looks so damn good. Why wouldn't I talk to Cupas until I forgot beard? Cause worst drought there Jamaica, you know she a lick and promise. You know she's supposed to funky like monkey. Then I enjoy yourself. You see, this is the thing about it, you know. A lot of persons, the jealousy comes under English and explanation. If you listen to them. Why is it that diamond is a factor? From we know diamond drop out a tree and them a throw rubbish pan around a liquor down because that's how she used to dance first time. And a roll pan the asphalt when she go home she chip up. You get what me I say? From we know diamond, we never hear diamond name call upon a big man. And if tomorrow morning diamond take a gentleman, me vex. Me vex because me never ready for the new norm. Me vex. Diamond always I get a little boy. So want me little boy like diamond. Want me little and know she a boast on the body. Diamond catch on the body and I take all picture on the cocky. Leave the child alone, make the child enjoy yourself. What we not have, what we wouldn't do, somebody else will do it. Javier, you get paid, thank you very much. You get paid a month now. Oh, thank you very much. You send me 23 flowers, I don't know what I'm going to do with them though. And you go like me a florist. But nevertheless, thank you. Yeah, if Diamond get little cocky, make sure take it now. When girl can't get body, them miserably, you know. Make Diamond smile a while and give her face a rest. Yeah. Our we don't have the problem with Diamond. Diamond look good when she in her clothes. We don't give, you know, so we don't give Diamond less credit. We don't give Diamond less credit, you know. We don't give that lady less credit. When Diamond mess up, she mess up. You understand me? And we can go in pan her like a old Leland truck. But when time she go on good, make the girl go on good, man. Enjoy her, man. Clap for her, man. But more ask Diamond where she cook him Marvin. Cause if you think Diamond happy and Marvin happy, when Marvin did a part with Figure It Out, him belly flat without abs. Yeah. And now Marvin, when I see Marvin bang down, me I say hangover. Me I wonder if him belly junk. You know, see she and him play hopscotch. And Marvin don't know if I play them little game then, and Diamond just broke out the little boy. So that Diamond bring back childhood. Have you seen my childhood? Check Diamond by Michael Jackson. Yeah. And Diamond bring back childhood. This couple go on, this couple yeah annoy me in the night here, you know. Yeah, annoy me, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Diamond bring back them childhood. Yeah. Boy, sometimes I wonder if Diamond have a Neverland. Cause pay picnic around down Diamond. Yeah. So anybody who can find them childhood, check Diamond. Enough overgrown man vexing up. Enough overgrown man wish them could have licked down Diamond and but if you no want Diamond, thank me, you know. Me available. They make desperation dip on my face. Me available, man. Oh, you mean I'm mother? The boy at 25, quarter for 100 and half for 50. Eh? The boy at 25, him past the threshold. Them not say Zoe at 15. Eh? Zoe at 15, Zoe at 10 years to go 25. One man and leave them alone. I wouldn't mind take up a 25-year-old, you know, in a my 99 and a quarter stage. I wouldn't mind the boy and me exchange bone in a mouth. Lad, me can't bother with the saliva or something. Diamond happy and share glow. Wanna go over Rosalie, go tell her say Akeem too young. Akeem at 25 and Rosalie supposed to 8 years older than the boy. How far that day? Eh? Akeem say my 25, figure it out at 25, I pay 25 the boat. Diamond happy and Diamond glow. Make Diamond glow. K can't get no boy we want her. And Diamond older than K and K can't get no boy we want her. So we will see Diamond happy. Make sure happy for herself. Oh, no pressure K. Okay, make Pops YG grind her, dig out her big hole, dig out her big puddle. Eh? We want Barbara Green and nobody now say nothing. But we don't see girl happiness and envy. Diamond, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you, but I still want the man. I'm happy for you, Diamond. Get me a man. Get me a man. Yeah. That's all I can say. Get me a man. Yeah, I can't say nothing more. You know what? We keep the couple dates. You know what? The couple dates. Me, you, my man, and Marvin. We are the boss, so we still around. We're on the arrow. Me that take even Peter Pan over, figure it out. You think a joke? Why your problem? Man? Yeah. I hear from Annie from she find the new man. I wonder if him land the wood in a Annie hole yet. Him supposed to come out with pure destruction. All the little boy they come from mash up film image, you know. I hope you not go to nobody girl picnic after Annie, you know. Cause you're dumb. You're dumb. After you left Annie, take Alex, our son. Them sharing the family, I one thing with them. Them use body as Lord's Supper. Yeah, for sure. I one thing with them keep communion with khaki. You never know. So try nobody got nobody girl picnic. Cause your wood can't wash off once Annie stay in it. Him not reaching a Zoe hole. Him a go straight to Alex. You know, see Alex and Yankee used to part. Oh, where my foreign citizenship come to? I'm gonna get it yet. Remember I run. I can't bother make a drink some of this. Jagger out and about. Jagger Annie no friend, and you know Annie no keep man long. Me say when Annie dead, she not go dead with no pum pum. You know, you may say Annie pum pum I go leave past somebody cocky. Annie now go dead with no vagina. You know, see how Annie crutches mash up TikTok police. Lord, me forgot down in a fasting sackcloth and ashes for TikTok police. I want to bring him back. TikTok police, if you're out there, call me. Message me, inbox me. Nobody now gonna know. Nobody now gonna know. TikTok police, if you're out there, too salt girl, TikTok police taking a little boy, your mother never grow you good. Bling and Annie. Me don't know how you drop your dead out in a for them big hole. Eh? Me don't know how you do it. Me say when I see TikTok police pan live in a brief, TikTok police boss, hey TikTok police brief look, wash out like when you there get to yard and you leave one cloth at the front of the house. You know for your wipe your foot pan. Them catches them mash up man. I can't find TikTok police and him no criminal cause nobody no lock him behind no grill. And a 6. Nobody no lock him up behind no grill. I who ask for me there. When I ask me whereabout for, me have no outstanding ticket. Me have no outstanding ticket, so transport authority now look for me. I who ask me whereabout. Me never run left Jamaica with no outstanding ticket. No policeman never lick me with a book. I said she be all this. I who ask for me there. Zuma. What about Zuma? Leave Zuma man alone, man. Zuma man depend on Ozempic. Then the whole when they depend on Ozempic, you know see Rosalie lose foot and no back. You know see Rosalie lose foot and no back. Cause from she lose weight until today her foot alone get slim. I want to know if Rosalie are going to use her body, her upper body and hold them still there. I still can't manage them there. I still them there now. Say Zuma man want to go on Ozempic, the whole of it on Ozempic. It look like a me make Ozempic. Yeah. So a cute boss want to put on Ozempic so her emoji belly can go down. So when Rosalie says she go on weight loss, me I wonder which part shall you lose weight. Is her foot cause her back them stand up strong like E.T. Her back them stand up strong like Hercules. Her back them stand up strong like E-Man. By the power of grace, God. Yeah. So tell me the truth. We're not quick for chat Zuma man, but we can't chat Rosalie. At least Zuma man lose weight all over. Rosalie back them stand up on her like a water. Her back them now gonna wear braids. Them determined. She have a set of determined back, you know. She have some things where they behind her were full of tenacity. Eh? Zuma man have sex. Zuma man have sex. Oh, my dear. You say, when you upset my stomach, you know, when I can walk out the conversation, you know. Me they right here, so me can, oh, we are going in a junction. Zuma man have steak. When him did bigger, when him gone for Ozempic. Which one of them? The second over mountain. Martin send me that, and make me sick my stomach. Martin, you can't send me Zuma man steak, make me sick my stomach. Lord Jesus. I don't know, my little chest plate weak, you know. Zuma man, and everybody for hook, you know. Zuma man have said, oh, when they don't allow me, no man, me cry, but I said, allow my man. The girl a bump on it nicely. My stomach, 1 minute. Lord, deliver me from evil. Them say it's not Zuma man. And look how the people them nearly made my vomit a while ago. Them say it's not Zuma man. Me say me have to hold my chest. A piece of newspaper me they go put in my chest and like me I travel far. Them say it's him, them say it's not him. I with the Ozempic or without the Ozempic. Look here now, I'm telling you good now. Eh? It's Zuma. My stomach weak when it comes to certain things, man, my friend. My stomach weak. Him say yes I him. Who say yes I them? Zuma man say yes I him. Then who so careless to skin out them crutches and give Zuma man? Him not fat in the video. Lord Jesus, I hope Mountain not get my sleep, you know. I hope Mountain not get my boy Mountain. Let me tell you this, drunk crow. But out there suck multiple cocky me a clean whole heap of rifle, you know, because you know my mouth is a gun cleaner. On Twitter, I hope you not go to go look for me in a dirty man. Nasty man, I hope you not go to go look for me in a... Oh. You find all my steep, the whole of Jamaica breed, you know. You find my steep. The whole of Jamaica get pregnant. What's your name on Twitter? Remember me can't hide, just type in my picture. Remember I cannot hide. And you quickly ask what's my name. A whole heap of boy out there saka me. Yeah. I don't want to relive them the memory there, you know. I make me for call back the boy them when I walk or leave. Cause Mountain a walk on hoes. Mountain ya on strippers. Mountain on put stars. Mountain trying to better find mine. Oh, cause from in a tune it me a clean rifle. That's why I miss graduation. I'm about make me miss graduation, you know. Call my in-law and cuss them for me. I will send you the number. Call your in-law. Then you never know say a dirty family you're gone, you know. All your crutches need a compass. Take the one off a destiny wall. Your crutches not lead you right, you know. You want me call your in-law them for cuss them. Then you don't know say from the man to the stepmother dirty. A dirty family, you're going to my love, making help your crutches now, it's far gone. Night pretty shibby, you wise up. Eh? You wise up. When I come in and tell me oh I'm beautiful now, you know say it's gonna rob me. It's gonna rob me, you know. Too late. Yeah. It's gonna rob me, come in and tell me I'm pretty now. You want me cause you're in love for you. What are we now leg off for the dirty cocky? Leg off for the man and you live in peace and harmony. Discover go on with the dead rose them the man. We class discover rose, you know. Girl answer who pass. But she not tell me who pass. She not tell me who pass her backside. Simply bliss. If I ever slap it, I will clap. Hey, I will cover. Hey, look here, man. Eh? Can you go tonight? Me not turn the light from 10 points left. K, she just take up dance all. A girl the soon so can select her with you know. By the time K done yam cocky in a dance all, I'm out can do beatbox. K now done. I hope she put more body in her ear them. I hear them just flimsy so. I hear them remind me of cute bass curtain. The one where the AC can blow to hold it like whistler. Me not tell you like every time I see K hear them, I think I want split a bill. All it want know is some grabber. And one thing, I don't know if K borrow your clothes them, but you ever try chat K with me. K not hard for chat, because from you look for now you see factory fault. And where you are go? You wash food. You know, the government say if them catch you wash car or anything, them all lock you up. I will call Andrew Holness for you. What you mean you wash food? You preserve, you conserve. Eh? You know wipe out your crutches, because if the family I want the crutches stink, you know. I thinking crutches do not have, man. Oh, you're going to do that after you don't wash your foot. Then my love, come here. Yeah, use the wash foot water wipe out your crutches. You little hole supposed to have been gravel. And when body going at you, them think of construction. Me not understand this. I would just send me request. Okay, cousin I try chat K with me. Yeah. Okay, cousin can chat her. I don't know how them stay so. Okay, why you take trip come down and know your family them not like you? You know, stay away there, man. Every day, cause of chatter with me. I can't catch a break. I just cannot catch a break. No? And me are the live. I live me are the way about them from. Wow. You beg me $500 and a man you go look for? Come here, my love. Why not take a taxi, man? Take a taxi, man. Them never broke yet. Always them work for somebody. Take a taxi, man. Me not have no money. I give a careless girl and your foot water you use wash out your hole. Anybody you give that to, you know, you not tight, you not put gravel in the hole. Eh? Oh, you mean my mouth too bad? My mouth no better than your cousin hole though. You know, you say a pops YG and she did there. My mouth can't better than your cousin hole. Your cousin hole a bust it up on body. She can't chat to her cousin, you say I can't bother with them. Yeah, even silver taxi man always have